Hello everybody. We have another job, and this is a dry cleaning company. This is scheduled for interview on July 11. That will be tomorrow, Tuesday, at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So the work location for this will be in Urayasu City in Chiba, and the job description is cleaning, washing, and drying. So this is a dry cleaning company. So if you are willing to apply for this job, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, July 11, Tuesday, at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So we need 3 people for this. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 036-206-8058. So again, this is a dry cleaning company. So if you are willing to apply, the salary for this would be from 186,840 yen, and there will be a bonus also for this job. So let me know, or let us know. You can comment down below. Thank you.